My name is Thomas Price. I accepted Ahmadiyyat about a year ago.
A year ago? Was you are of Belgian origin?
Half English, half Belgian, yes. And I'd like to thank you for blessing me and my wife. I actually had a question.
Yes.
So, as being pretty new to the Ahmadiyya community, I was wondering, sometimes friends and family have a bit of a struggle to understand, knowing me before entering the Ahmadiyya community, and I was wondering if you had any help for me to help them understand the transition.
You can tell them that after having accepted Ahmadiyyat, now I feel more comfortable and my heart is satisfied, and I think that I have better relation and contact with the Almighty Allah Ta'ala than before. And if you show them your personal experience, your personal impression about Islam and Ahmadiyyat, then they will know.
Yeah.
The personal experience is the best way to do preaching. Instead of involving yourself into so many arguments for the existence of God or death of Jesus Christ or the advent of the Prophet Messiah Islam and the advent of the Holy Prophet and the prophecies in Bible and prophecies in the Holy Quran. So you first show your own example.
Okay.
If they see your own example and they are satisfied with your action, your deeds, and they think that you are a better person than before, then we'll ask you, what is the cause of this change? Then you can tell them, this is the cause. This is the Islamic teaching. After having accepted Islam, that has made me change towards Allah Ta'ala, towards religion, and I have personal relation with Allah Ta'ala. So, and you will have to develop that personal relation. If not, then you cannot do proper tabligh.
Yes.
Right?
I understand. Jazakallah. Thank you.